Experiencing issues unlocking or starting your 2020-2023 Mazda CX-9? This usually stems from a dead car battery or a non-functional key fob. The keyless entry system relies on a working electrical system and fob battery. We'll cover quick solutions to get you back on the road. No need to panic, we'll walk through each step. Locate the physical key hidden inside your key fob. Press the release button on the fob to slide it out. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. A slot is located on the driver's door handle. On some models, it might be under a cover near the rear hatch. This bypasses the electronic system, granting you access. If your CX-9 has a dead battery, you'll need to jump start it using jumper cables connected to a running vehicle or a portable jump starter. Let's go through the steps carefully to ensure safety and success. First, park the donor vehicle close to your CX-9 with both engines off. Open the hoods and locate the batteries. Make sure the donor battery is in good condition. Second, identify the positive and negative terminals on both batteries. The positive terminal usually has a red cover or plus marking, while negative is marked with naps or black. Third, connect the red jumper cable clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery first. Fourth, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the donor battery. Fifth, connect the black clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Sixth and finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the CX-9's engine block, away from the battery. Start the donor vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. Then try starting your CX-9. Alternatively, you can use a portable jump starter like this 608 unit. It eliminates the need for a donor vehicle and is safer for solo jump starting. Follow the kit's instructions carefully. A dead key fob battery is a common issue with the Mazda CX-9. This simple fix often resolves key fob malfunction. The CX-9 uses a standard CR2032 lithium battery. When dead, it shows around 0 volts. First, pry open the key fob carefully using a small screwdriver or coin. Be gentle to avoid damage. Remove the old CR2032 battery from the fob. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up and negative down. Snap the fob back together and test the keyless functions. This often resolves the issue. Battery replacement is now complete. If the previous steps haven't worked, here are some additional troubleshooting tips to resolve key fob and battery issues in your Mazda CX-9. First, ensure the car battery terminals are clean and securely connected. Corrosion, often appearing as white residue, can prevent proper electrical contact. Use a mixture of baking soda and water to clean the terminals, then rinse and dry thoroughly. Check that the clamps are tight. Second, check the car's fuses related to the keyless entry system. Locate the fuse box under the hood or inside the cabin, and inspect the keyless entry fuse for continuity. A blown fuse can disable the system. Replace if necessary with the correct amperage. Third, try using a spare key fob if available. Test it to see if the issue is with the primary fob. If the spare works, the problem may be with the fob's battery or internal components. Fourth, Bluetooth interference can sometimes cause issues. Try moving away from potential sources like smartphones, Wi-Fi routers, or other electronic devices. This can help restore keyless functionality. If these troubleshooting tips don't resolve the issue, it may be time to seek professional help from a Mazda dealer for reprogramming or further diagnostics. If problems with your CX-9's keyless entry persist after trying basic fixes, it's time to seek professional help. The key fob might need reprogramming by a Mazda dealer, which typically costs between $100 and $200. Additionally, check if your vehicle is subject to recalls related to the keyless entry system or the body control module. Mazda issued a 2024 recall for over 12,000 CX-9 units due to BCM glitches that cause false dead key alerts. Mazda is advancing towards greater smartphone app integration for keyless entry systems in future CX-9 models. The My Mazda app already provides remote diagnostics and notifications, and upcoming versions may enable fobless entry through Bluetooth pairing. Expect significant improvements in key fob battery technology, moving from traditional CR2032 batteries to lithium-ion options for extended lifespans. Stay updated with Mazda's software updates through the My Mazda app to receive potential fixes and new feature enhancements.